In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Facebook page name. Whether you're rebranding, updating, or need a fresh start, this process is simple and can be done directly from the Facebook app. Let's get started and walk through this step by step. First things first, open your Facebook app. Once you're in, you'll need to locate your page. Depending on the device you're using, the menu icon might appear in different places, but don't worry. Just look for the icon that resembles three horizontal lines, which will lead you to all your groups and pages. If you're juggling multiple pages or profiles, you might see an option to manage them through the three dots next to your name. This is a crucial step if you need to switch from your personal profile to the actual page that you intend on editing. With your page open, let's dive into the settings where the magic happens. Head over to Settings and Privacy from the menu. If you're not seeing it immediately, you might need to scroll down a bit, but it is there, ready and waiting. Once you tap that, a few more options will pop up for you to explore, but we're focused on one thing today, so select Page Settings. Upon entering the page settings, you'll notice a display of your current page name. Here is where you start making changes. Navigate over to the Personal Information section where you'll find the option to edit your page name. This is the place where you can update to that new exciting name that you've thought about. As you're filling in the new name, take a moment to double check your spelling and ensure it's exactly how you want your page to be represented. Remember, this comes with a commitment. Once you save your changes, you won't be able to alter the name again for the next 7 days, so make sure it's just right. Feeling good about the new name? Great. Go ahead and confirm your choice. And lastly, hit save. And there you have it. Your page name is successfully updated. It's a quick and straightforward process, but this small change can have a big impact on your page's identity and how it appears to your followers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. We're here to make navigating the digital world easier for you, so stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.